Hello students, now we will discuss arithmetic progression problem based on nth term of an AP. Our first problem is determine the 25th term of an AP whose ninth term is -6 and common difference is 1 upon 5. Solution is we are given D is equal to 1 upon 5, that is common difference is equal to 1 upon 5. T9 is equal to -6, that is ninth term is equal to -6. Let first term is equal to A. Now we know that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 within bracket into D. Therefore, T9 is equal to A plus 9 minus 1 into D. Put n is equal to 9. Put n is equal to 9. Now T9 is equal to -6. We are given, and D is equal to 1.5. It is also given. Therefore, -6 is equal to A plus 8 into 1.5, as 9 minus 1 is 8 and value of D is 1.5, or A plus 8 into 1.5 is equal to -6, or A plus 8.5 is equal to -6. Therefore, A is equal to -6 minus 8.5. Now in the right hand side, taking LCM is equal to 5, we get A is equal to -30 minus 8 upon 5. Now 30 and 8 are both of minus sign, they will be plused. Therefore, A is equal to -38 upon 5. Now T25 is equal to A plus 25 minus 1 within the bracket into D, because T25 we have to find. Now A is equal to -38.5. Therefore, T25 is equal to -38.5, and D is equal to, we are given 1.5. Therefore, T25 is equal to -38.5 plus 25 minus 1 becomes 24. So we get plus 24 into 1.5, or T25 is equal to -38.5 plus 24.5. In the right hand side, take 5 as LCM. So we get T25 is equal to -38 plus 24 upon 5. Now -38 plus 24, they are opposite sign, and negative term is greater, Therefore, T25 is equal to minus difference of 38 and 24, that is 14. So T25 is equal to minus 14 upon 5. This is the required term. T25 is equal to minus 14 upon 5. This is the required term what we have to find. Now second problem is, if 7 times 7th term is equal to 11 times 11th term of an AP, then show that 18th term of an AP is 0. Now solution is, let first term is equal to A and common difference is equal to D. Now we know that T9 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 within the bracket into D. Put this equation number 1. Therefore, T7 is equal to A plus 7 minus 1 into D, that is 7th term is equal to A plus 7 minus 1 into D. Now 7 minus 1 becomes 6. Therefore T7 is equal to A plus 6D. And T11 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. 11 minus 1 becomes 10. Therefore T11 is equal to A plus 10D. Also we are given 7 times 7th term is equal to 11 times the 11th term. So putting the value of T7 and T11, we get 7 into A plus 6D is equal to 11 into A plus 10D. Open the bracket. 7A plus 42D is equal to 11A plus 110 into D. Taking 11A to the left hand side and 42D to the right hand side. So we get 7A minus 11A is equal to 110D minus 42D, or minus 4A is equal to 68D, or A is equal to 68 upon minus 4 into D. Now 4 into 1 4 and 4 into 17 is 68. Therefore we get A is equal to minus 17D. Put this question number 2. Now T18 is equal to A plus 18 minus 1 within the bracket into D. 18 minus 1 becomes 17. Therefore T18 is equal to minus 17D, putting the value of A from question 2, plus 17D. 18 minus 1 is equal to 17. It becomes plus 17D. Again, we know that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, T18 is equal to A plus 18 minus 1 into D. Putting the value of A from question 2 and solving 18 minus 1 equal to 17, we get T18 is equal to minus 17D plus 17D. This we get from equation 2. A is equal to minus 17D. Minus 17D and plus 17D cancel each other. Therefore, right hand side becomes 0. Therefore, T18 is equal to 0. That is, 18th term of an AP will be equal to 0. Now, third problem is determine the second term of an AP whose sixth term is 12 and eighth term is 22. Now, solution is we are given T6 is equal to 12, that is sixth term is equal to 12. Put this equation number 1 and T8 is equal to 22, eighth term is equal to 22. Put this equation number 2. Let us first term is equal to A and common difference is equal to D. Now we know that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 within the bracket into D. Put this question number 3. Therefore, T6 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1 into D. Put n is equal to 6. 6 minus 1 become 5. Therefore, T6 is equal to A plus 5D. Put this question number 4. From question 1 and question 4, T6 is equal to 12 from question 1 and T6 is equal to A plus 5D from question 4. Therefore, A plus 5D is equal to 12. Put this question number 5. Similarly, T8 is equal to A plus 8 minus 1 into D. 8 minus 1 becomes 7. Therefore, T8 is equal to A plus 7D. Put this question number 6. Also, we are given 8th term is 22. That is, T8 is equal to A plus 7D from question 6 and T8 is equal to 22 that we are given in the question. Therefore, A plus 7D is equal to 22. Put this question number 7. Subtracting equation 5 from question 7, we get A plus 7D is equal to 22, A plus 5D is equal to 12, A plus 7D is equal to 22. Question number 7, A plus 5D is equal to 12. Question number 5. Now to subtract, change the sign. Now A and minus A cancel each other. 7D minus 5D become 2D and 12 minus 22 minus 12 is equal to 10. Therefore, 2D is equal to 10. 2D is equal to 10 or D is equal to 10 upon 2. Now 2 1 2 and 2 5 10. Therefore, D is equal to 5. D is equal to 5. Put this value of D in equation number 5. We get A plus 5D is equal to 12. Therefore, A plus 5 into 5 equal to 12. 5 into 5 become 25. Therefore a plus 25 is equal to 12, or a is equal to 12 minus 25. This is equal to minus 13. That is a is equal to minus 13. Now what we have to find? We have to find second term. Therefore T2 is equal to a plus 2 minus 1 into d. 2 minus 1 become 1. So T2 is equal to a plus d. Putting the value of a and d, we get T2 is equal to minus 13 plus 5, because a is equal to minus 13 and d is equal to 5. Therefore T2 is equal to minus 8. That is, second term is equal to minus 8. This is the answer. Now next problem is fourth problem. Determine the 15th term of an AP whose third term is 1 and sixth term is minus 11. Now solution is, we are given T3 is equal to 1. Put this question number 1. T6 is equal to minus 11. Put this question number 2. Let first term is equal to a and common difference is equal to d. Now we know that Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Put this question number 3. Therefore T3 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. That is, put n is equal to 3, or T3 is equal to a plus 2d. Put this question number 4. From question 1 and question 4, T3 are same. In question 1, T3 is equal to 1. In question 4, T3 is equal to a plus 2d. Therefore, a plus 2d is equal to 1. Put this question number 5. Similarly, T6 is equal to a plus 6 minus 1 into d. 6 minus 1 become 5. Therefore T6 is equal to a plus 5d. Put this question number 6. From question 2 and question 6, a plus 5d is equal to minus 11, because we are given T6 is equal to minus 11. Put this question number 7. Subtracting equation 5 from question 7, we get a plus 5d is equal to minus 11 and a plus 2d is equal to 1, and subtract the equation. To spread the equation, change the sign of lower equation. Now a and minus a cancel each other. 5d minus 2d become 3d, and minus 11 minus 1 become minus 12. Therefore 0 plus 3d is equal to minus 12, or 3d is equal to minus 12, or d is equal to minus 12 upon 3. Now 3 1 3 and 3 4 12. Therefore d is equal to minus 4. Put this value of d in equation 5. We get a plus 2d is equal to 1. Therefore a plus 2 into minus 4 is equal to 1. or a minus 8 is equal to 1 or a is equal to 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. Therefore, a is equal to 9. Therefore, T15 that we have to find is equal to a plus 15 minus 1 into d. 15 minus 1 become 14. So T15 is equal to a plus 14d. A is equal to 9 and d is equal to minus 4. Therefore, T15 is equal to 9 plus 14 into minus 4, because a is equal to 9 and d is equal to minus 4. Therefore, T15 is equal to 9 minus 56, or T15 is equal to minus 47. That is 15th term is equal to minus 47. This is the answer of given problem. Now thank you very much.